here's an elevator in a subway station. We got a train coming. I just heard a train coming. Anyways, this is a Sigma elevator. It's a Sigma elevator, which is a subsidiary of Otis, based out of Korea. We got people coming down, so it's gonna be a wait. Oh, and here it is. Fortunately, the indicator did not ring. I'm gonna go for a round trip up and back down. We'll end the video to where we're gonna end the video up on B1. Awesome. I love that chime. Or we're gonna go back up and end the video up there. It's just your basic elevator. Are we gonna watch it close? That was your Sigma elevator. There it goes, and that's it.